Your morning news now. President-elect Joe Biden made his first White House appointment last night, hiring Ron Klain as his chief of staff. Klain held the same role under Biden at the start of his vice presidency. The 59-year-old also served as President Obama's Ebola czar, overseeing the federal response to the outbreak that began in 2014.
It will be a heavy lift, but we will work with the counties to get this done in time for our state certification.
The Secretary of State in Georgia says all state ballots will be recounted by hand. Joe Biden currently leads by over 14,000 votes there. Republicans are also focusing on two Senate races in Georgia, which could keep GOP control in the Senate. President Trump has yet to concede the election. His legal team continues to pursue false claims of voter fraud in several states. Around Wisconsin, more than 2/3 of counties in the state have completed certifying the results of last week's presidential election. However, final results are not expected to be finished until the deadline next Tuesday. That's when President Trump is expected to request a recount in the state. Unofficial results show Democrat Joe Biden defeated Trump by over 20,000 votes.
Well, it's a quiet start to your Thursday. We're seeing a little bit of fog, otherwise clear skies and sunshine to start the day as you're heading out the door. But by this afternoon and evening, a cold front approaches, and that's going to bring some rain and snow. So that evening commute could be a bit slick. Now, this is a quick moving system. Will be out of here by tonight, but much chillier air behind it for tomorrow.
Public health experts are again sounding the alarm about the coronavirus, warning that it's spreading too fast to control. Yesterday, more than 65,000 people were hospitalized with COVID-19 in the U.S., the highest total since April. The country also saw its highest number of new infections with over 144,000 cases. The death toll is now just over 241,000, and leading disease model predicts it will reach 400,000 by February. Starting tomorrow, new gathering restrictions will go into effect across Minnesota. Governor Tim Walz's latest order says bars and restaurants must stop serving at 10 p.m. And starting November 27th, gatherings for events like funerals and weddings will be limited to 50 people. The new rules are aimed at young adults who are often carriers of the virus without showing symptoms and are among the primary spreaders in the state. The Wisconsin Department of Health is trying to give people a better picture of how severe the pandemic is in our state. It added a critically high category to its disease activity dashboard and new testing data, which indicates how alarming COVID-19 activity is in counties and regions throughout Wisconsin. As of today, 65 out of the 72 counties in the state are at a critically high level. 62 new deaths were reported from the virus in Wisconsin yesterday, along with 7,048 new cases. In La Crosse County, a 28th person has died from the virus. The county also reported 207 new positive cases, according to the state's Department of Health Services. La Crosse County is averaging 129 cases a day over the past 7 days.
You want there to be space in the hospital to care for your loved ones, and we are struggling to make that happen.
Health systems in our area are asking for the community's help as hospitals in the La Crosse area see around 83% of beds full. Gunderson and Mayo Clinic say they are not only struggling with capacity, but they're having record high numbers of staff with both infections and exposures. Mayo Clinic and La Crosse had previously been accepting overflow patients from other areas, but with the rise in cases here, officials say they will be discontinuing that. Happening today, a drive-through COVID-19 testing site opens again in Vernon County. It runs from 10 this morning until 6 tonight at the Old County Highway Shop on Main Street in Viroqua. The nasal swab testing is open to all Vernon County residents who are experiencing symptoms or have had close contact with someone who tested positive. Houston County is breaking ground on a new Veterans Memorial in front of the Brownsville Community Center. Once completed, the memorial will honor veterans from the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, Coast Guards, and Merchant Marines. Community members can also honor veterans with an engraved brick. A dedication for the memorial is planned for Memorial Day of next year. Today, you have the chance to help U.S. troops who are serving overseas. Operation Homefront is hosting a drive-through donation collection at the Onalaska Armory on Oak Forest Drive. It starts at 7:30 this morning and runs until 6:30 tonight. Among the things people ask for are healthy snacks, toiletries, and sunscreen. Cash donations are also accepted, and if you'd like a full list, you can head to our website, news8000.com.
And we're seeing quiet conditions this morning, some sunshine, also a little bit of patchy fog, but clouds will be increasing, and by late this afternoon and this evening, rain and snow will move into the region. Now, temperatures will be in the 40s in La Crosse and points south and east, but only 30s in our northern and western communities. That cooler air will settle in for tomorrow with highs only in the 30s.
We want to thank you for sharing your Thursday morning with us. We hope you have a great day. We look forward to seeing you back here tomorrow. Stick around now for CBS This Morning.